Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we will create a logo in Adobe Illustrator just you have seen in the thumbnail. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here we are in Adobe Illustrator. First you have to do is to select the rectangle tool, create a rectangle just like so. Now click on this circular sign and drag it just like so. Now you have created. I'm going with the default colors. I don't need any fill, I need only stroke. So for this one I'm going with default colors. Don't need any fill. Yes. Now click on any area on the artboard. Start creating something, a smaller circle, rectangle. 566 by 299. Yes. Okay, just like so. Same process with this. Is it good? I think make it big, something like so. Yes, it's looking good. Increase the width. Now select the line segment tool, or you can simply create a rectangle to cut these parts. Select all of them and then select shape builder tool. You can see the plus sign. Now if I click on alt, it will be converted into minus. So I've got these parts. Again process with these. Delete this. Now select the line segment tool, draw a line just like so. This will help us to align our logo. Align it where you need, just like so. That's good. Now press P for pen tool, or you can select it there. Click on this one and straight to the line there and there. Press escape. Again click on there. Just like so. Same process with this one. Select pen tool. This one. You can go manually, and this one. See this? This line is straight and just curved. Now to make it straighter, select this direct selection tool, select this point, make it just like so. Yeah. Now we don't need this line segment, so simply delete it. or you can use line segment, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, and now select all of these. Go to again shape builder tool, and first of all add this one, and now deselect this part. Hold Alt and you will see the minus sign. This one, and this. Also we don't need this part. Now we have something like this. Now create a rectangle just like so. It will help us to draw a curve there. Make it a bit smaller. Just like so, and place it there. Now select all of these, again go to the shape builder tool, add it, and add this one. We don't need this one, so press and hold Alt. We need to add this one just like so. See what we have. That's the separate part, and that's the separate part. Now the next step is to go to your gradient panel, select this one, click on it, and we need first color, this one, and this color, just like so. Or you can go with your choice, which color you want. For this one, I'm going with something darker. Yes, it's looking good. Now we don't need any stroke, so there, click on this to hide strokes. It's looking nice. This part is remaining, so delete it. We have to create its second part there, so make it smaller. Hold Shift, just like so, and make it group. Now hit Ctrl C to copy it and Ctrl F to paste in place. Make the copy by holding Shift to the right side straightly. Yes. Again hold Shift and rotate it about 180 degree. Just like so, and now align it so that this line will be straight in this line. Make it just like so. Think something like this. Yes, that's good. I think no, that's good. We have to change the colors. For this one, go to this color and make it dark blue. We need color on fill, so this one we need dark blue, and for this one we need this color. And for this one, same process. For this one we only need these colors. Now it's looking great. You can add your text if you want. Yeah, that's our logo we've created in Adobe Illustrator. If you want more tutorials from our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will see you in the next video.